Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Madis here. So these are Ccfl inverter boards. You can find them inside old LCD TVs. And today I'm going to rewind this high voltage transformer. So here we have our secondary winding, and it consists of total 7 sections, and each section contains around 200 tons, so a total of 1400 tons. And it is our primary winding, and we are going to rewind this section, and after that we are going to get giant arcs here. So I am using a 0.7 millimeter enamel coated copper wire for the primary winding and a 0.2 millimeter enamel coated copper wire for the feedback winding. Let's start the winding. So let's wind 4 turns of primary winding in clockwise direction. So the primary winding is done, and after a bit of super glue I'm going to wind the feedback winding, and it's also gonna be 4 turns and in the same clockwise direction. So the winding is complete, and I'm using one 330 ohm resistance and an N-channel MOSFET, and this is the circuit diagram. Let's build the circuit. After completing the circuit, I'm using one lithium-ion cell to power up everything.